Bitcoin has spent 2 days arguing about one price, and that price is 0.3% of its own year. So this is not the hourly chart. It is every week this pair has printed, drawn from zero, and the whole argument we are about to have lives in the last 6 columns. The record is 126,200, set 43 closed weeks ago. Tonight is 48.3% under it, $61,000 lower, and it has not been back. But the frame chooses the answer. Of the 468 closed weeks here, 366 closed lower than tonight. Against its own life, this price is high. So take the last 365 days off the right edge and let them grow until they fill the screen. Same asset, same prices, one slice, and the record shrinks into the corner to stay in view. The year runs from 57,800 to that same record, $68,399 of height, and tonight sits at 10.8% of it. And the count inverts. Only 63 of the 364 closed days finished lower than tonight, and 301 finished higher. Against its own year, this price is low. The hourly file we work inside is this box. 42 days, $9,156 tall, 13.4% of the year's height, and 11.4% of its days. Its floor is not an accident. The lowest hour in the file and the lowest day of the year are one candle, 57,800. Inside the box, 91 closed hours of 999 finished above tonight. One price, 3 answers. Top 10th of the working window, lowest 5th of the year, above 3/4 of the whole record. None is wrong, and none answers the other two. Down on the hourly chart, both wide frames parked in the corner. The last video anchored at 64,994 and drew one rung overhead at 65,410, 34 closed hours later. That rung has been asked 3 times and refused 3 times. The first run stopped $384 short, the second $18.57 short, the third today $110 short. In order, that is 384, then under 20, then 110. It got closer, then went backwards, and in the 233 closed hours since the rung printed, nothing has traded above it. Above it, the line that would retire the decline is still 65,745. The closest anything came since it printed is $27, and nothing has come within 300 since. Underneath, nothing was tested. 5 published floors run from 64,166 down to 62,300, and all 34 closes finished above everyone. The lowest print stayed $564 clear. The 2 hourly averages are worth one line. The 20-hour and the 50-hour sit under $3 apart, and which one is on top depends on whether you count an hour that has not finished. Now put the rung back on the year. 65,410 sits at 11.1% of the year's height. Tonight sits at 10.8. 2 days of argument, 0.3 of a point. That does not make the rung meaningless, it makes it hourly. It decides whether this advance continues, not what the year does. Every level named tonight fits inside 6.8 points of the year. So, the terms. While 64,166 holds, the rung is the next thing to take. A close under that floor ends the advance instead, and the year would register neither. Educational analysis, never financial advice. New counts land every day, so subscribe to keep score with us, like the video if the rules earned it, and share it forward.